to doing Obi-Ani spinning, and I'm just showing it right there. Alright, so step one is basically you're just going to spin it from side to side like that, like so, and I'm going to show you a different angle, like that. Yep. Just doing that. Alright. Now step two is you do that spin side to side, but you incorporate a little finish off the side like that. Alright, now step three, you do that same thing and then you just put it behind your back like that, like you're trying to stick it up your spine like that. Yep. Alright, now step four, you incorporate all of that and then you're trying to pull it up in front of you from your spine up to your face like that. So I'm going to do it again, like so, just pulling it back up. Now step five, it's the whole thing, you just keep doing it, and the more that you do it, you keep getting fluent at it. Let's go.